Hi, now in this video we are going to add staff, how to add staff for our institution manually. So HR, human resource, if we click on this, or we can go through the HR management here, here on this button as well. So human resource management, staff directory. If you got any kind of staff already added in your institution, you will find the list here, all of them will be here. So now we don't have any list here, so we are going to add stuff from here. You can upload the picture here, staff picture. Staff ID we are giving, so depends on your institution. So I will say ABC S staff and 5001. What will be the role? So I will say principal, designation, uh, admin, administration, manage. I will say as management, and name. uh, so you can just add the name, first name here, and I will say GHIKLM. Father name UYZ, mother name GHN, and email address ghi@abc.com. Gender is male. Date of birth, you can add anything you want, uh, which has been provided. So I will say 1970, October 7, whatever. Date of joining is uh, 2020 January the 1st. Phone number, it need to be 10 digits, which has been provided, so you can put that contact number. So I will put a random number 0, so 0123. So that will be the number. You can add married, single, widowed, whatever, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 NIC number, whatever number you want. Qualification is MSc. Work experience, I will say 20 years. Current address, I will just put London. Permanent address, I will just put London. Note: welcome to ABC Model Institute. Emergency contact number, I will just put this one number. You can put the provided number. Name, I will just put random name, and family member, address London, and lkjm@abc.com. GHJIK, family friend, and London. Email ghjk@abc.com. If there is in medical history, so you can select all of them or any of them, or if there is no medical history, so no problem. uh, any chronic medical problem, yes, so you will need to with the proper details, otherwise I will put no. And if I go to continue, that is the EPF number. So you can check the, if you want to give the same number for the EPF, you can copy this one and just paste here. Basic salary, I will just say 100,000, and contract type permanent or probation. Work shift, morning or day. Location London. Pay scale, I will say BPS 20. Leaves, these are the leaves types which we already added in the previous video. So sick leaves, if I'm allowing them sick leaves 6 annually, annual holidays, I'm allowing 16. Leave without pay, he can go for up to 10. Absent leave without any notification, he may be allowed 5. It's as per your institution rules and regulations. Bank account details, if the employee provided any bank details for processing their salaries or wages or any kind of financial activities, so you can add them. So name, uh, the bank account title, bank account number, bank name, bank branch code, and bank branch address. If you want to skip, they are not uh, essential. You can skip them. Uh, that particular staff member, Facebook URL, Twitter URL, LinkedIn, Instagram URL, you can provide them here. And after that, we are going to submit that. So that's been added. Staff login credentials has been sent to staff email. Staff record has been successfully created. Now, if we go to the human resource, and that's the staff we already added. Now, if I click on this name, so that's his profile created. We didn't provide any bank details or social media links, uh, medical history, so no medical history, we left that blank, and the rest of the details are here. So here on this particular screen you can see his payroll details. Here there's the electronic personal file number, basic salary, this contract type is permanent, work shift, location, pay scales, and that will be the summary of total net salary paid, whatever he got paid for that, uh, gross salary, total earning, total deductions, the whole uh, record is here. Leaves which you authorized him for, like uh, sick leaves 6, so used and available, all of them are available. If they use any, it will be showing here. That says attendance record, total present, total late, all of them. And documents, if you provide any kind of documents, you can upload as many documents as you want from here with the title here, and they will be shown here. You can download them, you can review them. We will be showing them in details in upcoming videos. That his library card, if he uh, borrow any books, so the whole record, issue, return, everything will be showing here. And that will be his timeline. If any kind of communication, emails or messages, that will be showing here. You can deactivate from here. You can change his password here. If he requests for one, you can edit his details from here. So that's how we are adding staff manually. In the next video, we will be showing how to import stuff. Thank you very much for watching this video.